All right, took a little trip to Target. Been stocking this for like a week now, waiting for a restock as I noticed they're pretty low. So it's bound to happen eventually. Yeah, they got some. I was either looking for One Piece or Pokemon. They got a Pokemon. And no, this isn't a full display. Granted, I was doing my pack math poorly, and should have snagged this whole thing when I had the chance because I was considering UPC. But since these are like 10 each, which is basically $5 a pack, I was like, in terms of value, that was the cheapest. I actually have one of each 10, I think. I don't know if there's 10 designs, but yeah, 10 packs. Let's see what we get from these tins. Let's see how easy they are to open. Oh, perforation here. Okay, there you go. That's how I did it. Don't even know if I want to keep these tins. So let's see what's inside. Got the 2 packs that we care for. If they come out, 2 packs. A little card art to match the tin. The biggest coin in the world. So just open them all up. Open them all up. Drag them a little bit. There you go. Card art packs. It's gonna get messy here. I didn't pull my trash can close to me. Smart. Card art inks. You're enjoying watching me struggle right now. Should have prepped it, but you know. Fucking mess per usual. Noisiest things in the world. Alright, almost there. Almost there. Yeah. Alright. Pull that over there. Alright, 10 packs. Let's see what we can get. Not as good as the booster bundle in terms of cost, because those turn out to be like $4.50 a pack. You get 6. But let's see what we get. Collectibles, Rhyhorn, Tangela, Coughing, Machoke, Dugong, Hitmonchan, Geodude, Tangela, and Vileplume. Energy. Alright. Dynamite, Caterpie, Eevee, Sandslash, Nerino, Golduck, Dodrio, Ghastly, Flareon. Nothing so far. And let's make this worth it. Magikarp Oddish, Mankey, Ivysaur, Slowbro, Machoke, Slowpoke, Weezing, Blastoise EX. I think we have one of these already. We probably do. I've got Venusaur for sure. Tangela, Grimer, Psyduck, Ekans, Hunter, Hitmonlee, Wartortle, Nidoran, Tentacruel, Beedrill. Another bust. Almost halfway there. I'm somewhat tempted to get a UPC. Those turn out to be like, what, $7.50 a pack? Most of the content I don't really care for. Oop. I know the Mews and Mewtwo are exclusive to it. Arbok EX. And a shiny basic energy. EX is so far new, I think. So we'll take them. Duo, Tentacool, Rattata, Squirtle, Raticate, Erica's Invitation, Magneton, Golduck, Execute, and the Gengar. Move this way. Bell, Ghastly, Paris, Voltorb, Omnite, Tauros, Kadabra, Eevee, Energy Sticker, and a Ditto. 3 packs left. This is going by too quick. I don't know if I want to retire already. From 151, Pidgey, Poliwhirl, Kakuna, Poliwag, Persian, Muck, Daisy's Help, Doug Trio, Ekans, Dragonite. Ugh. Yeah, this Pokemon in general doesn't feel like you get your money's worth. Rhyhorn, Krabby, Gengar. Alright. Last pack magic. I don't even know if this is worth uploading, since we don't get any hits. Machoke, Dugong, Hitmonchan, Raticate, Rhydon, and Articuno. Well, that was a bust. I mean, I guess that's the Pokemon trading card game experience, isn't it? Got 3 hits. Sorry, 2 hits. Yeah. Anyways, thanks again. Hope to see you on the next one. Okay, bye.